Just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Tuesday, August 4th, 2026. Opening brief. What's good, my traveling fam? It's your girl Rattles. Best in Travel Channel hosting. Baby, today the travel streets woke up already needing legal representation. Lufthansa sending thirsty old planes to the retirement home. Brussels Airlines carrying more people but somehow bringing home less money. Barcelona baggage workers telling everybody, touch your own suitcase. WestJet rebuilding a schedule held together by prayer and airport tape. Greece staying alert for wildfire flare-ups. And Turbulence reminding Air India passengers that gravity got anger issues. Now pour that tea. First brief. Lufthansa told them thirsty old planes to pack their retirement bags. What that blue said to Rattles was, Lufthansa said second quarter operating profit fell sharply. The airline lowered its 2026 outlook and plans to retire fuel-hungry A340-600 aircraft early while temporarily grounding two Boeing 747-400s this winter. Baby. When an airline puts jumbo jets on unpaid leave, that spreadsheet done kicked the office door open. Them old planes drink fuel like somebody's uncle discovered the open bar got no closing time. Accounting looked at them engines and said, either you'll retire, or everybody in headquarters eating crackers for Christmas. Second brief. Brussels Airlines carried more folks and still came home broke. What that blue said to Rattles was, Brussels Airlines reported a €70 million adjusted first half operating loss. Passenger numbers and revenue increased, but fuel costs, weaker demand on some routes and earlier third-party strikes hurt results. Baby. The cabins fuller. The revenue higher. Everybody clocked in. And the profit still disappeared like it owed child support. That's airline math. Every seat occupied. Every bag charged. And the spreadsheet still standing outside asking to borrow $20. Third brief. Barcelona ground crew said, you'll handle them bags yourselves. What that blue said to Rattles was, an indefinite ground force strike began at Barcelona-El Prat. Reports said several flights were cancelled, while others operated without normal baggage service. Baby. Your plane might leave Barcelona. But your suitcase could decide to stay behind and start a new family. That bag gone be eating tapas, learning Spanish, and posting beach pictures, while you back home rotating the same emergency underwear. Travel tip of the day. Keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated, even when the sign is off. Keep medicine, identification, charges and one emergency outfit in your carry-on. Baby, Turbulence does not send a calendar invitation. Invisible air will snatch your dignity without introducing itself first. Fourth brief. WestJet schedule still walking with a limp. What that blue said to Rattles was, WestJet is restoring service after reaching a tentative labor agreement, but some flights may remain affected while aircraft and crews are repositioned. Baby. The argument over. But the plane still scattered like cousins after somebody yelled, police outside, get the cookout. Crews in one city. Aircraft in another. Passengers emotionally living at gate 14. Check that flight before leaving home smiling like the schedule personally promised you something. Fifth brief. Greece's fires eased, but nobody better get comfortable. What that blue said to Rattles was, wildfires northwest of Athens showed signs of easing, but firefighters remained alert for flare-ups. Residents returned to communities where homes, farmland and olive groves had been damaged or destroyed. No roast on that devastation. Prayers to everybody grieving, rebuilding and helping those communities recover. And respect to the firefighters still standing watch. When officials say evacuate, move immediately. Your resort deposit cannot fight flames, and that vacation selfie is not fireproof. Sixth brief. Air India's Turbulence said, buckle up or become cabin decor. What that blue said to Rattles was, Air India confirmed that a Phuket to Delhi flight experienced a brief turbulence-related event. Passengers and crew suffered minor injuries, some received medical evaluation, and the aircraft landed safely. Thank God everybody landed safely. But baby, Rattles stays buckled. I'm not letting invisible air throw me into row 19 like loose church furniture during moving day. That seatbelt ain't part of the decoration. Click it, or gravity might introduce you to the overhead bin personally. Closing brief. That's today's tea. Lufthansa benched some thirsty airplanes. Brussels Airlines carried more passengers but misplaced the profit. Barcelona caught strike fever. WestJet kept rebuilding. Greece stayed on wildfire watch. And Turbulence reminded everybody that seatbelts are not fashion accessories. BreathtakingLagoon.com is back up and running. Slide through for travel inspiration and available travel deals. I'm Rattles. Check them alerts. Protect them receipts. Keep that carry-on close. Buckle your ass up. And stop trusting travel plans like chaos got home training, because baby, disruption was raised in the streets. Peace. Rattles out.
Alright babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print. Don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye. And remember, no report on weekends.